All right, first we will recap. Let me see what you have understood. The heading or the letterhead. What do you mean by the heading or letterhead?
Means left side में नहीं address and name तो left side में लिखो.
Yes. And how it is different from letterhead?
Letterhead तो top में रहता है और space
वो भी तो टॉप ही पे रहता है.
नहीं वो left side में रहता है तो ठीक है बीच में
All right, and then there's the date and what is reference line? What does it show? It shows the department of the organization, of the organization and the department of the letter, and the number, organization and number of letter. The letter number and can also be used as reference. What is the inside address? The recipient's address. The address of the receiver, yeah. What is the importance of subject line? What do you understand by the term greeting and salutation? Dear sir, dear ma'am. Like respected dear or just sir or madam or MS, a comma, you usually follow the salutation. Another body paragraph. How many parts of a body? 3. What are they? First of all, writer's identification and the purpose for writing a letter. So the opening part, the first paragraph of the email must be this state the introduction of the writer. It also contains the previous correspondence, if any. If you have received previous correspondence, that will be in the first paragraph. Like, please refer to your letter dated. It means it should be in the first paragraph. And then the main part. This paragraph states the main idea of the reason of writing the letter. It must be clear, concise, complete, and to the point. And then the concluding part. What is written over here? And the third part is the concluding part. It is the conclusion of the business letter. It shows a suggestion or the need of action. It is, please grant my leave. Please consider my application. A soft reminder and a request once again, before you finally close your letter. It shows the suggestions or the need of the action. The closing of the letter shows the expectation of the sender from the recipient. Like, kindly send the goods within 5 days. What action you want the reader to take. Always end your mail by courteous words like thanking you, warm regards, look forward to hearing from you. These are courteous records, polite responses. And then the complimentary close, yours sincerely in a humble way, yours respectfully, yours truly, Yours faithfully, yours obediently. Yours truly, yours sincerely. Thanks and warm regards, or thanks and regards. And then you will write your name. The ninth part is the signature and the writer's identification. You will write your name and then you will leave a space for signature. So it includes the signature, the name, the designation of the sender. Supposing you are working in a company, you need to write your identification plus your which post are you in, the job title. It can also be your contact number can also be included in the your sincerely. The signature is always handwritten just above the name of the sender. ENCL. You do not write the full form. Now, after the letter has finished, योर सिंसियरली योर नेम के बाद लेटर खत्म हो जाता है. और अगर आपने कुछ अटैचमेंट भेजा है, फॉर एग्जांपल देयर आर सम बिल्स और रिसीट और चेक और एनीथिंग, एनी अटैचमेंट, योर कवर लेटर, योर रिज्यूमे, योर डॉक्यूमेंट्स, व्हाटएवर, अगर आपने कुछ भेजा है, देन ENCL विल बी रिक्वायर्ड. इट मींस व्हाट आर द एनक्लोजर्स और क्या क्या अटैचमेंट्स हैं. तो यहाँ पर लिखेंगे एनक्लोज, तो पैराग्राफ में भी होगा ना, लास्ट पैराग्राफ में. Please find enclosed here with a check of 50,000 rupees. Please find my resume and a cover letter. Please find attached mark sheets. जो भी तुमने अटैच किया हुआ है, तो आप इसको इंक्लूड करेंगे अपने लेटर में भी, और ENCL लगा करके आप लिखेंगे एज अबव AA. AA का मतलब होता है एज स्टेटेड अबव. जो निम्न ऊपर जो लिखा हुआ है as stated above. A. The enclosures show the documents attached to the letter. The documents can be anything like checks, drafts, bills, receipts, invoices, etc. It is listed one by one. वो सारे list करना होगा कि आपने क्या क्या भेजा हुआ है. Then we come to copy circulation or CC. Many people say carbon copy, but the term is copy circulation. It is needed when the copies of the letter are sent to other persons also. For example, you are writing to Mr. Sharma, you want other people to also know what you have written in the organization. You will mark a copy to a few people more, important persons, whom you think they should also know. मतलब तुमने मुझे भेजा है और वही लेटर तुमने बुलार सर को भी भेजा हुआ है, आपने कुछ असाइनमेंट भेजा हुआ हमको, ठीक है, तो आप हमको कुछ भेजेंगे तो CC टू बुलार सर भी भेजेंगे कि असाइनमेंट इंग्लिश का है, तो इवन ही शुड नो व्हाट यू आर राइटिंग. You can also send that to your center head कि मेरे क्लास में क्या पढ़ाई हुई है, मैंने कुछ आर्टिकल लिखा, समझ नाइस आर्टिकल मैंने आपको दिया था अबाउट इंटरपर्सनल इंट्रापर्सनल दिया था, आपने बहुत मन लगा करके और एक आर्टिकल बनाया है. तो आप क्या करोगे, आप सबमिट करेंगे मेल पे हमको. देन यू विल बी मार्किंग दिस कॉपी टू पोदार सर आल्सो, CC टू हिज उनका भी, CC टू डायरेक्टर सर आल्सो. एक ही बार में एक क्लिक में सब चला जाए. ऐसा कभी आपने किया है मेल पे? किया है. अभी नहीं किया.
ये ना प्रोजेक्ट में
That is wrong. I'll show you how it is done. ये कर दो. कोई कंपोज मेल दिखा तुमको? बड़े यहाँ CCBCC दिख रहा है. Supposing I am sending to what is your roll number? Sorry, what is your email ID? आपका क्या बताओ ना? हाँ. Whatever. मैं बता रही कि कहीं भेज नहीं रही हूँ, मैं बता रही हूँ. जैसे आर अगर लिखे हैं तो चलिए इसका आ गया. हमको और लोगों को भेजना है तो फिर अनदर आर करते हैं. चलो फिर मैंने कोई भेजना नहीं, बता रही हूँ मुझे और लोगों को भेजना है तो ठीक है. चलो और जे तो मैंने इतने लोगों को भेजा. कोई भी चिट्ठी मैं लिख सकती हूँ और फिर एक क्लिक पे सेंड हो जाएगा. तो इन सबको मिल जाएगा इन वन क्लिक. दिस इज कॉल्ड कार्बन कॉपी. सबको दिख रहा है ना? नाउ रिया कुमारी विल बी नोइंग कि चिट्ठी रंजीत कुमार को भेजा गया है, तुषार सिंह को भेजा गया है, प्रणीता झा को भेजा गया है. हाँ, जिसका भी भेजा है. चलिए मैंने अपना इनको भेजा गया है. Everybody will know कि कहाँ भेजा गया है, right? Whatever I will send, whatever letter I will write, so these people will know this is CC, right? And then there is BCC also. What is that? अब इतने लोगों को तो दिखाई पड़ेगा कि क्या भेजना है. अब BCC में मैंने भेजना है इससे कोई नहीं. BCC मतलब इन लोग को पता चलेगा नहीं कि चिट्ठी और किसको किसको गई है. इनको समझ में आ गया, इनको ये क्या. लेकिन BCC वालों को रवि सिन्हा को नहीं पता चलेगा कि किसको किसको गया. व्हाटएवर हिज नेम. तो इन BCC वालों को पता चलेगा नहीं कि किनको किनको गया. ठीक है. अगर मुझे सिर्फ BCC भेजना है, ठीक है. हेलो. Now I am going to send it to only BCC. तो मैंने जितने भी नाम डालने, जैसे ग्रीटिंग कार्ड मुझे भेजना है, I can send to all contact, like ये लोगों को मतलब कि नहीं पता चलेगा कि किनके पास गया है. Right? With one click you understood. This is CC. People will know. BCC. They will not know. Like Antara Roy will not know. This has been sent to Anand. Anand will not know. किसी को पता चलेगा. सबको ग्रीटिंग कार्ड चला गया. Understood? So carbon copy and blind carbon copy. Understood? So facilities आप उठा सकते हैं. You know email. You know how to do it. So everything is with a click today. So do you understand? Carbon copy. There is all the recipients will know who else has received this letter. And blind carbon copy, the recipients will not know Who else have received this letter? Done. Now coming to postscript. This is the afterthought. मतलब लेटर आप लिख लेते हैं, उसके बाद कुछ चीजों को हाईलाइट करना चाहते हैं, something which is of importance. Fit brings a goodwill. जो पढ़ते हैं उनको पढ़ के अच्छा लगता है. When I receive a letter, I always look for PS because every PS will bring a smile. It builds goodwill and it strengthens relationship between the receiver and the writer. The sender can mention it when he wants to add something other than the message in the body of the letter. It is written as PS. For example, if there's a conference and you've been invited to attend the conference, after the sign off, they will write PS. Please be seated by 12. PS. Please bring your invitation card. Something which is of importance. Supposing you are inviting people for a party, birthday party or whatever. You will write a letter inviting them, and then you will write PS. Please do not bring any gift. नहीं gift तो लाना ही पड़ेगा. नहीं अगर पहले होंगे PS. If I am writing a letter, you are cordially invited to a birthday party on Saturday. On Saturday, the dash at 7 p.m. And it will be indeed a great pleasure to meet you. Yours sincerely. P.S. P.S. Do not bring gifts. थोड़ा नाराज हो गया गिफ्ट क्यों दिलाए मैं इतना खर्चा कर रहा हूँ कुछ तो लेकिन गिफ्ट के लिए तो पानी दे रहे कहने का मतलब है कि तो इम्पोर्टेंट चीज डाल देते हैं समथिंग व्हिच यू वांट टू हाईलाइट और भी कुछ हो सकता है जो भी की फीचर की फीचर जो आप जैसे कि ब्रिंग अगर कोई ऐसा बहुत इंपॉर्टेंट कोई फंक्शन है जिसमें कार्ड सिस्टम है तो PS डोंट फॉरगेट योर कार्ड जैसे बच्चा जाता है हॉस्टल वहां से लेटर लिखता है मॉम को यहाँ सब अच्छा एवरीथिंग इज फाइन एंड आई एम एंजॉयिंग माय सेल्फ द फूड इज रियली गुड एंड द फ्रेंड्स आर वेरी हेल्पफुल आई एम एडजस्टिंग टू हॉस्टल लाइफ योर लविंग सन Vicky Kumar. PS. I miss home. Right? So PS can be written on a personal letter also. Sorry, in a personal letter also. And official letter as well. दोनों में लिख सकते हो आप. Understood? अब कभी किसी बिजनेस मेल में PS नजर आ जाएगा तो आप समझिएगा क्या तो मतलब क्या होता है पोस्ट स्क्रिप्ट मतलब पोस्ट का मतलब क्या होता है बाद में आपने लेटर लिख लिया उसके बाद क्या लिखना एंड द लास्ट पार्ट द 14th पार्ट इज नोटा बेनी इसका मतलब ही वही होता है नोट वेल प्लीज बेयर इन माइंड याद रखना ध्यान दीजिएगा कीप इन माइंड पिन इट एंड नोटा बेनी कैन ओनली बी रिटन इन ऑफिशियल लेटर ये पर्सनल में नहीं लिखा जाता So these are the important features of a business letter. Why you need to understand is this tomorrow you will also have to write letters as an HR, as a marketing head. If you will know, you will write. Any questions? Sure. Next segment, types of letters. So let us first understand that there are broadly two types of letters, namely formal and informal. We have already discussed what are formal letters. What are they? Any official letter, any letter to the authority is a formal letter. And informal letters are those which we write to our acquaintances, your parents, your friends, people whom you know. But then there are also a few types of letters based on their content, formalities, and purpose of letter writing, etc. Let us have a look at a few types of letters. Exam. When exam time comes, you need to explain each. What do you understand by formal letters? How are they different from informal letters? Yes? You have to explain. समझ गए हो फॉर्मल घर में लिखते हैं फॉर्मल ऑफिस में लिखते हैं मतलब कहने का मतलब क्या है हाउ कैन यू एक्सप्लेन दिस इन इंग्लिश प्लीज रीड दिस एक बार पढ़ लो फिर बताना पढ़ लो पहले Formal letters, these letters follow a certain pattern and formality. A certain pattern, a structure, a style, a format. So they are strictly kept professional in nature and they are professional. And directly address the issues of concern. It means whatever the problem is, why you're writing it, you have to write it directly. Any type of business letter or letters to the authorities falls under this given category. The next part, informal letters, these are personal letters. They need not follow any set pattern or any format. The language is conversational. They contain personal information or are written conversation. So informal letters are generally written to friends, acquaintances, relatives. Acquaintance होता है जान पहचान के लोग. Acquaintance. And relatives. You may be asked to write short notes on formal letters, informal letters, business letters. Now we come to business letter and official letter. Business letters. This letter is written among business correspondence, generally contains commercial information such as quotations, orders, complaints, claims, letters for collections, etc. Such letters are always strictly formal and follow a structure and pattern of formality. Business letters are written outside the organization. कंप्लेन लेटर्स कहीं आप कंप्लेन कर रहे हैं, कहीं आप एडवर्टाइजमेंट के लिए भेज रहे हैं, कहीं आप ऑर्डर कर रहे हैं, कहीं से कोटेशन मंगा रहे हैं, कोटेशन भेज रहे हैं, कहीं आप क्लेम कर रहे हैं. When you're writing for collection, so business letters are those letters which are sent outside the organization. Official letters are written inside the organization. Any type of instructions can be rules, regulations of the company, which is sent inside the organization. So business letters sent outside and official letters sent inside. Yeah. You have to understand the difference.
Yes, ma'am.
So official letters, this type of letter is written to inform other office branches, subordinates, official information. It usually relays official information like rules, regulations, procedures, events, or any other such information. Official letters are also formal in nature and follow certain structure and decorum. So all these are done in a specific style and format because they are not personal letters. Now we'll conclude the class today with the last part, social letter. Social science. आपको कहीं किसी को कंग्रेचुलेट करना है, कहीं कंडोलेंस देना है. Social letters, a personal letter written on the occasion of a special event is known as social letter. Like congratulatory letter, condolence letter. What is condolence? Yeah, condolence means? It means something bad has happened to somebody. You write, we regret to know about the loss. May God give you the strength. ये सब क्या है? भगवान ने कभी किसी के लिखना पड़े, but condolence letters तो बहुत है. Condolence, congratulations, or invitation letters. These are all social letters. They are personal social letters. आप invite किसी को कर रहे हैं. एक और ले लेते हैं सर्कुलर लेटर. ये क्या होता है? ये भी ऑफिशियल है लेटर, जो कि circulatory letters or circular letters are written inside the organization, which is written and circulated. एक प्रोटोकॉल, एक लेटर आ जाता है, जो हर डिपार्टमेंट उसको the peon क्या करते हैं, उसको घुमाते हैं, and the person who reads it signs it. हाँ. That is not notice, that is a circular. It is not sent by mail, but it is delivered by the peon. People see it, people read, and people sign. Sign means you have read it. So a letter that announces information to a large number of people is a circular letter. It means it is circulated in all the departments. The same letter is circulated to a large group of people to correspond some important information like change of address, change in the management, the retirement of a partner, etc. Something which is of importance for the company is sent in a circular letter. Understood? Have I sent you this PDF?
Yes, ma'am. मैम कोई ज्यादा WPS ये लोग apps install नहीं किया।
अच्छा, WPS इंस्टॉल कर लीजिए फिर खुलेगा। WPS ऑफिस इंस्टॉल कर लो फिर खुल जाएगा। ठीक है, I'll send it again.